Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming power and a clean memory so results are reliable. Press on, then set mode to comp for algebra or stat for data. This controls functions available. Once done, clear memory with Shift then 9. Choose one to reset. Also, past variables do not interfere. Make sure contrast is readable using Shift plus F6/F5. That prevents input errors. Start input immediately after, because a clean state ensures correct function behavior and predictable outputs for every subsequent step. Now enter the concrete work. Type expressions using parentheses and the X variable so the calculator respects order of operations. For graphing, press menu then Graph, enter Y1 using X, and use Shift plus Zoom to autoscale. This ensures the curve displays correctly. For statistics, open menu then Stat, input data into L1 and L2, press Calc and choose the appropriate regression or summary. Make sure to store results to a variable with SDO to reuse values without retyping. This saves time and reduces errors. Finish by verifying outputs and saving work. Use Trace to step along a graph and F5 for intersections so you understand where values occur. Store important results with SDO and recall with RCL, or use ANS for quick calculations. This preserves intermediate steps. If results seem wrong, first recheck mode and parentheses, then confirm variable names and list assignments. One key tip: if a graph is blank, adjust window or sign of Y1. Many blank graphs are scale or domain issues, not calculation errors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.